Now with all our light planes and emitter shaders set up, let's go ahead and put these all on their independent light controls. First thing we want to do here to keep organized is we want to rename these so that we know which light is what here. With this first one selected, I'm just going to go ahead and hit down on my keyboard and rename the shape node. This way we will know what light it's what here. So we'll go here and just rename this something sort of cryptic and light front, light left, light right, and finally we'll just go ahead and rename this light back. Okay, since we have these all renamed here, let's just go ahead and put these on their own fader control. So with 1, let's just go ahead and click accept. With 2, click accept. With 3, let's click accept. And with 4, let's click accept. Now that we have those all set up on their own independent light controls, we can control their intensity independently of each other. So let's go ahead into our render settings here. Make sure that we're going to render with Fry Render. Open our render settings. Now we need to choose what size that we're going to render at. For this demonstration, I'm just going to render it, say, 1024 by 768, and that's fine. And then I want to go ahead and export and open or execute Fry Render. I'm just going to go ahead and execute Fry Render, so whenever I hit the render button, it'll just simply launch and start rendering through Fry Render. As far as max time here and max passes, let's go ahead and let's just set for sample, say like 25 passes. So once we hit 25 passes, it's just going to stop rendering. Make sure it's a full render. Click accept. Go to our environment settings here, and since we already have lights in our scene, we don't want to use the sun, and click accept. Click close here. Now if we go to try to launch Fry Render here with no camera in the scene, we're going to get an error. So we need to go ahead and bring a camera into our scene, and in the next lesson I'll go ahead and show you about how to do that, because we'll have to set up depth of field as well. So when we come back, we'll go ahead and do that.